I have a quick video from my latest order from Bath & Body Works outlet store. Okay, so here's my order. I was actually able to use some coupons from this order, which is fantastic. So these are all 75% off, and this is from the Eucalyptus mint and collection. With my coupon, I was able to get a free bubble bath, and believe it or not, I've never tried bubble baths from Bath & Body Works, and I am a bubble bath person. I love this scent though. Paris Amour is delicious, deliciously sweet. So I will be taking a bubble bath this tonight. So on to the candles. In my first video, I picked up a few of the Eucalyptus mints. I went back to get Eucalyptus mint and rain. Smells very refreshing. It smells clean. I'd like to burn this one. It's described as the cooling scent of raindrops is the perfect match for invigorating eucalyptus mint, creating a lush, fresh fragrance. And that it is. So I'm really into fresh scents like ocean scents or anything nice and clean, laundry scents. I love that. So I got 2 of these for $5 from the outlet store. And I also got one that was recommended to me by the sales girl. She said this was one of their popular ones out of the Eucalyptus mint. And I can see why, because it's a very muted lilac. It's not overpowering, so you don't get that pungent flowery scent. But then the mint it sort of crisps it up a little bit, so it's a fresh flower scent. So I got 2 of those. And for the amazing price of $5, you can't beat it. So these are my candles along with the free bubble bath. So at $5 a piece, you cannot beat this price. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.